Okay, we're gonna have a breakfast here. So we're gonna cook which one. Now we're gonna try this. Here comes my drink. Smoothie. This is strawberry with banana. Let's see if that is good. That is good. Sure naman. And my daughter is chocolate milk. Right? Tasty guys, tasty. Strawberry and banana. Try that, the smoothie. No sugar. There you go guys. This is our food like breakfast and lunch. With my drink. Thank you my daughter. Add more over here. I love this but thank you. There we go. This is potato, red bell pepper, mushroom. They got sausage in it, and the top is the chicken, egg omelette, and with my drink.
Scrambled egg.
Scrambled egg. Okay, I'm gonna try to eat. They're good. It's good guys, it's good. I love egg with ketchup. Doing this so that I have my leftover I'm gonna bring home.
You never finish your food.
Yeah, because I only small appetite. Okay guys, I'm gonna eat. And we have pancake and my daughter is has brown and egg. What else in there?
It's a steak omelet.
It's steak omelette inside. I almost done guys. It's good. This is potato, red and green bell pepper, mushroom, onion, and sausage. And then the top is a scrambled egg. Then you put the ketchup. Very good. Now this is my leftover guys. I'm so full now. Now I'm done guys. This is my leftover. Now I'm gonna bring it. Now we're gonna eat the pancake. Simple only. Pancake butter and syrup. Yummy. It's time to put in to pack to go. Alright. We're gonna go home. Thank God we're done our breakfast and lunch. That's our breakfast and lunch. So thank God for that. Alright, thank you for watching. Take care guys. And see you next time. God bless and always be safe.